बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
What do you call it? Declension. Declension. Declension means inflection. Inflection means change of form. So we know that nouns can change into three different cases, and those cases are marfuun, mansubun, and majroorun. So the change in these three cases is called declension. And the conversion in these three cases is called declension. And now there are almost all the nouns. There are almost all the nouns which are declinable, which can be changed from marfu to mansub and from mansub to majroor. They can take three shapes. I mean to say that there are almost all the nouns in Arabic, they have three dresses. They have three dresses, three cases: marfuun, mansubun, majroorun. But a few, very few nouns, some nouns do not take three shapes. And they cannot be changed into three different cases. So they are non-declinable. There are declinable nouns and non-declinable nouns in Arabic. Declinable nouns are almost all the nouns, and some nouns in Arabic are non-declinable. They cannot take three shapes. They don't have three dresses. They have just one dresses to wear. They will wear that dress when they go to play, and they will wear the same dress when they are at home, and they will wear the same dress when they go to school, because they have got just one dress. And Rahul had three dresses. So declinable nouns are like Rahul. Declinable nouns are like Rahul. They have got three dresses. But Shyam has got just one dress. And these non-declinable nouns are like Shyam because they have just one dress. They will go home, remain at home in the same dress. They will go to play in the same dress, and they will go to school in the same dress because they don't have three dresses. So those nouns are called non-declinable. They are called nouns which cannot change into three forms are called non-declinable, right? Mabni. In Arabic we call them mabni. And those which can take three shapes are called al-mu'rab. Where it is written. Al-mu'rab, declinable nouns. They can decline from one shape into the other, from marfu to mansub to majroor. And how they decline, I have written here. Kitabun is marfu with the dhamma. Kitaban is mansub with fatha. They will become mansub with fatha. And kitabin is majroor with kasra. Here Sindhuja and all others, I would like to tell you that when you changed marfu into mansub, there are nouns which have to have alif added at the end. When you change into mansub, there will be alif added to them with fatha. Tanween fatha. Kitaban, there will be alif. Similarly, masjidun marfu, masjidan mansub, masjidin majroor. Now I'll ask you a question. Kitabun is mu'rab or mabni? Kitabun is mu'rab, means it can take shapes. It can change shapes. It has got different dresses, and it takes three shapes: marfu, mansub, and majroor. So these mu'rabs, these declinable nouns are called triptotes. Tri means three, taking three shapes. Triptotes. They are called triptotes. Triptotes are those which take three shapes, three different shapes. Now there are some Morab nouns which do not take three shapes. They can change, they can decline. There are some nouns which are declinable, which are Morab, which will change the shapes, but they do not change, I mean, three shapes. They do not take three shapes. There are three shapes which the nouns take, and those which take three shapes, they are called Morab. So Kitabun, Masjidun, Baitun, they are all Morab because they have Dun Dan Din, and Bun Ban Bin. Masjidun, Masjidan, Masjidin. Bun Ban Bin. Kitabun, Kitaban, Kitabin. Ilmun, Ilman, Ilmin. Mun Man Min. So those who have these shapes, they are called Morab and they are triptotes. But there are words which are Morab. They are Morab. They are declinable. They will decline. But they will decline into two shapes. They will decline into two shapes, not into three shapes. Example, and that is why they are called diptotes. They are called, di means two, di means two. So the name given is diptote, having two shapes. And they are in Arabic, they are called mamnu'um min as-sarf. If you remember this name, it is okay. If you don't remember, don't worry about mugging up. You will learn it because I will be speaking thousands of times these words. So don't worry about them. Mamnu'um min as-sarf. Diptotes are called mamnu'um min as-sarf. Inshallah, you will remember it on its own. Mamnu'um min as-sarf are many nouns. One example of mamnu'um min as-sarf is the noun on this shape, on the pattern of af'alu, on the pattern of af'alu. In this af'alu, the first letter is Hamza, that will remain there. The second letter Fa, Ain, Lam. Second, this is called the root. Fa, Ain, Lam. This is the root of three letters. The main root is Fa, Ain, and Lam. Fa, Ain, and Lam. These are the roots. So the root will change. In place of Fa, you can bring Ha. In place of Fa, you bring Ha. In place of Ain, you bring Mim. And in place of Lam, you bring Dal. Then the word becomes, from Af'alu, it becomes Ahmadu. Right? Similarly, if you bring Ra in place of Fa, and Sheen in place of Ain, and Dal in place of Lam, the word becomes Arshadu. Right? Similarly, if you bring Mim at the place of Fa, and Jim at the place of Ain, and Dal at the place of Lam, the word will become Amjadu. Amjadu. Right? If you bring Kaf at the place of Fa, Ba at the place of Ain, Ra at the place of Lam, then the word will become Akbaru. Right. So if you make a word on this pattern, like Ahmadu, Arshadu, Amjadu, Asgharu, Akbaru, Anwaru, and Asfaru, Abyadu, they are all Mamnu'um min as-sarf, means they are diptotes. They are mabni, but they will have single dhamma. They cannot take tanween. They cannot take tanween, number one. Number two is that they will become marfu bi dhamma. Marfu bi dhamma. They will become mansub bi fatha. Mansub bi fatha, single fatha. But they will not become majroor bi kasra. They will become majroor bi fatha again. They become majroor bi fatha. समझ में आ गई बात? So they can take dhamma. है ना? The nouns which are diptotes, the nouns which are on the pattern of af'alu. Mr. Hafiz Salim साहब, mic on कीजिए and tell me you are understanding.
समझ रहे सर, कुछ
Good.
थोड़ा सा उर्दू में भी डिफरेंस।
हाँ, बता देते हैं। वो नाउन जो अफ़आलू की वजन पर है, अफ़आलू के वजन पर है, जैसे अहमदू, अरशदू, है ना? ये अफ़आलू के वजन पर, हाफिज साहब, है ना?
जी सर, जी जी।
अकबरू, अमजदू, असफरू, असगरू, ये सारे नाउन ममनूउ मिन सर्फ होते हैं और इन पर दम्मा आ सकता है, इन पर फतहा आ सकता है, मगर इन पर कसरा नहीं आ सकता और इन पर तनवीन नहीं आ सकता। ये दो चीजों के दुश्मन हैं, एक तनवीन के दुश्मन है और दूसरा कसरा के। ठीक है, ये वर्ड्स दो चीज नहीं लेते, दो चीजों को पसंद नहीं करते। एक किसको पसंद नहीं करते? तनवीन को, और दूसरा किसको पसंद नहीं करते? और कसरा को। तो अब ये कसरा को नहीं लेते तो मजरूर कैसे बनेंगे? तो मजरूर भी बनेंगे फतहा लगा के। मजरूर कैसे बनेंगे? फतहा लगा के। ठीक है, बात समझ में आ गई? एवरीबॉडी अंडरस्टैंड?
मजरूर हो जाएगा सर।
हाँ, मजरूर भी होगा, मंसूब भी होगा। ये फतहा लगा के मंसूब भी बनते हैं एंड फतहा से मजरूर भी बनते हैं। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड?
कैसे पता चलेगा सर? ये
सब पता
फिर
चलेगा।
पहचानेंगे कैसे सर?
सब
पता कैसे चलेगा?
पता चलेगा। आई विल शो यू एवरीथिंग। अभी सिर्फ ये याद रखना है कि ये मजरूर भी फतहा से ही होते हैं। ठीक है? और
डिक्लाइन वाला में क्या थोड़ा बताए थे सर? थोड़ा सा एक बार उसको भी हिंदी में उर्दू में बता देते।
हाँ, डिक्लाइन वाले ये होते हैं कि वो तीन शेप लेते हैं। वो मरफू बनते हैं दम्मा से, मंसूब बनते हैं फतहा से, और मजरूर बनते हैं कसरा से, और ये तनवीन ले सकते हैं। ठीक है? मगर जो ये भी
शेप हो सकते हैं डिक्लाइन।
हाँ, वो भी डिक्लाइनेबल, ये भी डिक्लाइनेबल, ये भी डिक्लाइन हो रहा है, मगर इसका मजरूर फॉर्म कसरा से नहीं हो रहा है। मजरूर फॉर्म कसरा से नहीं हो रहा। राइट, तो ये भी डिक्लाइनेबल है। डिक्लाइन तो हो ही रहा है, मरफू भी इसका हो गया, मंसूब भी हो गया, मजरूर भी हो गया ना। यू गेट द मरफू फॉर्म, द मंसूब फॉर्म, द मजरूर फॉर्म, ऑल द थ्री फॉर्म्स of these nouns, so they are declinable. Ahmadu is declinable, Arshadu is declinable, but it is declinable diptote. It will be majroor with a fatha. It will not take the third sign kasra. It takes only two signs. That is why it is called diptote. It takes only. Do you understand, Sindhuja?
No, sir.
You don't understand. Where is the problem? Okay. Okay, wait. I'll revise. See, kitabun is marfuun bi damma. Kitaban is mansubun bi fatha. Kitabin is majrurun bi kasra. So these are the nouns which take damma, fatha and kasra all. है ना? So these nouns are completely declinable. They are completely declinable, triptote. And nouns which are decline means tasrif. हाँ, फिर आवाज आ रही है। तसरीफ हो रही है ना। Decline means tasrif, declension. Arabic nouns are made on the root of three letters. On the root of three letters. Like kitabun is made on the root of three letters. That is kataba.
Yeah.
The basic letters are ka, ta and ba. Masjidun is made of three basic letters. They are Seen, Jim and Dal. Seen, Jim and Dal. Sajada. Right? All words, almost all. Some may have four letters. So all almost have got three letters. Right? So
Yes, sir.
if a noun which is made of 3 letters, and that noun is on this pattern. This is a pattern, I told you. Af-alu. Af-alu. So, af-alu. If you place some letter in place of fa, in place of ain, in place of lam, and you make word like this. If you place, you see, there is the first letter Hamza, है ना? First क्या है? Hamza है ना? ये दे दिया.
Yes, sir.
Now use a letter in place of fa. Use a letter in place of fa. Say you use ha. Then it becomes ah. Here it was af. It becomes ah. In place of this and use mim. Then it becomes ahma. It was af'a. Af'a. And in place of lam, use dal. In place of lam, use dal.
Dal.
Then it becomes ahmadu. So try to understand the pattern of the word. The pattern of the word ahmadu is the same as that of af'alu. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you can say that ahmadu is a word on the pattern of af'alu.
Af'alu.
Right. You can also say that arshadu. Arshadu is a word on the pattern of af'alu. Is it there or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. How it is? Because you use ra in place of fa. In place of this fa, you use ra. In place of ain, you use sheen. And in place of lam, you use dal. Then it becomes arshadu. So any noun in Arabic which is on the pattern of af'alu, that noun is diptote, and it will not take tanween. Diptote, and it will not take tanween, and it can become marfu with a dhamma, mansub with a fatha, and again majroor with a fatha, because these nouns cannot take kasra, है ना? Right? These nouns cannot take a kasra. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Good. Wait a minute.
But af'alu means?
Af'alu, don't worry about meaning. You don't need to know the meaning here. Af'alu is a pattern.
Is a format.
A format. Very good. It is a pattern. It is a format. है ना? You don't have to do anything about meaning. You will learn meaning when the time comes, right? So here you just have to learn that it is a pattern. On this pattern, if there is any word, that word is mamnu min as-sarf, that word is diptote. I am teaching you these things because this word came in the examples. है ना? था या नहीं था? Example में पहले आया था ahmadu, नहीं था? Here is the word Jibrilu. Why don't you use tanween here? Jibrilu malakun.
Because it's a foreign word.
Right. And all foreign words are mamnu min as-sarf. All foreign words are mamnu min as-sarf. They are all diptotes. They cannot take tanween and they cannot take kasra. So the marfu of Jibrilu is what? Jibrilu. And mansub of Jibrilu?
Jibrila.
Jibrila. And majroor of Jibrilu?
Jibrila.
Jibrila. Yeah, because it is mamnu min as-sarf, because it is diptote. It cannot take 3 shapes. Similarly, Fatimatu. Fatimatu. Fatimatu is again diptote. Because it is diptote, because it is a muannas alam. It is a muannas alam. Muannas proper noun. Muannas proper nouns are all diptotes. They cannot take tanween. So you cannot say Fatimatun, because it is muannas alam, and muannas alam is diptote, and it will not take kasra. So its forms will be Fatimatu, Fatimata, Fatimata, Fatimatu, Fatimata, Fatimata. Marfu is Fatimatu, Mansub is Fatimata, and Majroor again is Fatimata. Understand, right? समझ में आया या नहीं आया? So words on the pattern of af'alu, words on the pattern of af'alu are diptote. Foreign names are diptote. Foreign names are diptote. And muannas proper nouns are diptote. Three things you have to remember. They will take three shapes, but they will not take kasra, they will not take tanween. समझ में आ गया ना?
Sir, foreign words, proper noun, and last one is, sir?
Muannas proper noun. Muannas, not proper noun. Muannas proper noun. Feminine proper noun. Feminine. Fatimatu, Zainabu. Fatimatu, Zainabu, they are the names of feminines. है ना? है या नहीं है? Female का नाम है ना? तो female proper nouns. Correct? Kaabatu, Kaabatu. Kaabatu is again feminine noun. Kaabatu is a feminine noun. I will tell you why it is feminine. When I study after this chapter, the jins will start gender, then you will learn it. So, what I told you, these are all what? Morab. They are all morab. They can take three shapes. They are all morab. But yani they have got three dresses. But there are some nouns which are not morab. They are not declinable. They have just one form. And
Excuse me, sir.
Please, boliye.
One doubt, sir.
Please.
Sir, if there is no kasra, then how can we say it is a majroorun? Because majroorun should have...
we will say how we will say, I will tell you. We will say that Ahmadu, Ahmada and Ahmada, right? Now, if you say how it is majroor, then you will say Ahmada is majroorum bi fatha. क्या कहेंगे? मजरूरुन भी फतहा. अब आपसे पूछे गए भाई फतहा से कैसे मजरूर हो गया? हाउ कैन इट बी मजरूरुन भी फतहा? देन यू आंसर विल बी लिअन्नहु ममनूउम मिन अस्सर्फ, बिकॉज इट इज ममनूउम मिन अस्सर्फ. क्या कहना पड़ेगा? बिकॉज इट इज ममनूउम मिन अस्सर्फ. इट इज मजरूर भी फतहा. इट इज मजरूरुन भी फतहा. व्हाई? Because it is mamnu min as-sarf. Mamnu min as-sarf will be majroor bi fatha. Why will it be majroor bi fatha? Because it cannot take a kasra. It cannot take a kasra. समझ गया ना? बात समझ में आई कि नहीं आई? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You will learn it.
उर्दू में भी समझा.
आपसे ये पूछा जाएगा कि अहमदा ये मजरूर कैसे है, तो आप कहिएगा अहमदा इज मजरूरुम बिदम्मा. अहमदा मजरूरुम भी फथा है. अहमदा मजरूरुम भी फथा है. फिर पूछा जाएगा भाई ये मजरूर कैसे हो गया फथा से, तो आप कहिएगा लिअन्नहु, क्योंकि ममनू मिन अस्सर्फ, क्योंकि ममनू मिन अस्सर्फ है. और जो जानता है अरबी वो जानता है कि जो ममनू मिन अस्सर्फ है वो फतहा से ही मजरूर होगा, वो कसरा से मजरूर नहीं होगा.
नहीं हो.
समझ में आ रही है ना बात? तो ये तो जी आप डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. हम आपको एक एक वर्ड का भी ग्रामेटिकल एनालिसिस सिखाने जा रहे हैं. आप यू विल लर्न एवरीथिंग. आई विल जस्ट टीच दीज थिंग्स इन दीज 2 weeks. आप 2 हफ्ते में वो सीखने जा रहे हैं विच स्टूडेंट्स are not able to express in years of study. 2, 3, 4 साल 5 साल पढ़ने के बाद if they come out and you ask them these details, they will not tell you. अभी 2 दिन का जो क्लास है ना, आज और next Monday, these classes are very important because I am going to teach you those things which are very precious. इतना precious है you cannot explain in words. ठीक है?
अगर आपको लेसन्स और वीडियो पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इनको सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए ताकि जब भी हम वीडियो अपलोड करें तो वो आपके पास सबसे पहले नोटिफिकेशन पहुंच जाए। और अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो अपने कॉन्टैक्ट्स में शेयर कर दीजिए और लाइक भी कीजिए।